This little $10 piece right here is one of the most overlooked maintenance items on your entire car. This is a PCV valve. Everyone remembers to change their oil filter, but almost nobody replaces this. And when it fails, it can cost you thousands in blown oil seals and a sludged up engine. Let's talk about why. Every time your engine fires, it's not just exhaust gases going out the tailpipe. You have extreme combustion pressure inside the cylinders, and a tiny percentage of unburnt fuel, water vapor, and sulfuric acid forces its way past the piston rings, which is called blow-by. If that hot chemical mixture sits inside your crankcase, it condenses and cooks your motor oil, leaving behind a thick black sludge that can destroy bearings and blocks oil passages. To stop that from happening, we have the PCV system. It stands for positive crankcase ventilation. It uses the engine's vacuum to constantly suck those toxic gases out of the crankcase and reroute them back through the intake manifold so that they can be burned off safely during normal operation. Hear that rattle? That's the little spring-loaded plunger inside the valve. But over time, all that dirty oil vapor passing through it creates a sticky oil varnish. Eventually, that plunger gets stuck. If it gets stuck open, the engine vacuum will suck raw oil straight out of your crankcase and dump it into your intake. That leads to carboned up valves, fouled spark plugs, and oil consumption. But if it gets stuck closed, that's even worse. The vacuum stops pulling, that pressure from the combustion gases builds up inside the engine blocks until it has to escape. It takes the path of least resistance, which usually means going straight through your oil seals or gaskets. That's a massive, expensive oil leak. On older models, it's a cheap, easy maintenance item. You pull the old one out, shake it, and if it doesn't rattle, you put a new $10 valve in. But if you're driving a modern vehicle, things get a little tougher. These newer fuel systems use direct injection, running at massive pressures up to 2,000 psi. And that extreme pressure naturally forces way more raw soot and unburnt gas past your piston rings. On top of that, if you're just driving 5 minutes down the road to the grocery store and back, your engine never sustains a high enough temperature to boil that moisture out of your oil. It just sits in your crankcase and cooks. And the engineers didn't make it easy to fix. On a lot of modern General Motors vehicles like the 2.4 liter Ecotec, they completely did away with a regular replaceable valve. They buried a tiny 3/32 hole directly inside the cylinder head and intake manifold. When that tiny hole gets plugged solid with hard carbon, the pressure spikes and can blow your rear main seal right out the back of your engine. Now you have an oil leak pouring onto the pavement, and you're looking at a $1,500 repair bill to drop the whole transmission to fix a leak caused by a clogged pinhole. Even on late model trucks like the newer Silverados, the entire PCV and diaphragm system is permanently molded into the underside of a plastic valve cover assembly. You can't replace that part. If it clogs, you're buying a whole new valve cover. And why is this happening to so many modern cars right now? Because manufacturers want to sell you vehicles by telling people they barely have to service them. They program 7,500 miles or even 10,000 mile oil change intervals right into your dashboard. The synthetic base oil might physically hold up to that mileage without thinning out. But the chemical additive packages inside the oil, like the detergents and the dispersants and the buffers designed to neutralize sulfuric acid, are completely dead by 5,000 or 6,000 miles. And that's all from the soot and fuel dilution. Car company only cares about getting the motor through the 60,000 mile factory warranty period. If you actually want your car to see 200,000 or 300,000 miles, you have to ignore that dashboard monitor and shorten your oil intervals to 5,000 miles. If you own one of these modern cars where you can't easily swap out the $10 PCV valve, your only line of defense is aggressive prevention. Running a high-quality engine flush right before your oil change, even if it's just once a year or every other year, is a great habit. Now, a flush isn't going to clean out your PCV system that's already plugged solid with hard carbon. But what it will do is dissolve soft sludge and varnish around your oil pan, your oil galleys, and your piston rings. Keeping your piston rings perfectly clean keeps their tension tight against the cylinder walls. Tight rings means you stop blow-by and sulfuric acid from entering the crankcase in the first place, completely taking the stress off your PCV system. Keep your oil clean, dial your intervals back to 5,000 miles, and don't let acid cook your engine from the inside out. If you're interested in the exact step-by-step method to make your vehicle last, check out my free 300,000 mile maintenance protocol. It lays out the exact intervals for every major fluid and component on your car. The link is free in my bio. We'll see you on the next one.